Page load speed has been a growing factor in the performance of a web page. It's been there for a while, but we're noticing it much more and more. But a new study looks at an element on a web page and how much that can also affect whether a potential customer will stay online or not. A study by the University of Massachusetts Amherst determined that if a video does not play within the first 2 seconds, chances are that person may leave. And one other factor that came out of that study was that with each 1 second delay in playing, another 6% may leave the site. Now, some of this sounds like common sense. The idea that if a video isn't playing, that the person will probably leave or move on to something else. But I think one of the takeaways we can come from that is not just in terms of player performance, but also in terms of a database. Let me explain what I mean by this. The idea that media has to be accessed and loaded up from some sort of source means that we need to have applications which can help provide that media in a timely manner. And we're probably going to hear more and more about this. I know for page load speed, for example, a number of open source databases are being used for measurement tools to help us determine if a page is loaded correctly. And just recently, Facebook decided to release Corona. Now, Corona is a system which allows for faster access to Hadoop. It kind of gets around some of the clustering issues that can occur when several groups or departments are trying to access data. Again, that may be a different example, but it also shows that as we are becoming faster and faster on the web, as we're getting more accustomed to it, we're probably getting a little bit more impatient, which means now we need to have applications which address that impatience. It's an exciting time, and it'll be an interesting time as we hear more and more about these tools. What do you think? Share your thoughts today on onanalytics.com.